In preparing for your visualization, it's very important for you to have your data. I have already brought my data here, and that is what I'll be using in working. Most of the times, if you want to go ahead and create something where you may have a text box, you may have images, you want to go to the insert button. Right from there, you see the text box, and then you see the image from here. Let's say I'm using a text box where I am creating a report for a company. Let's say the company is Smart Apply, and then the good thing is that you can be able to, increase this or even position it wherever you want to, so you get the right thing for it. So you can move this and readjust from here. I would also want to increase the font size and also change it as well. Let's say we are doing Corbel and we have this to 28. Beautiful. So you can have something like this, and I like to have it boldened. There you go. What about when you want to also do some colors? Why don't I do a color here? Oh, I love this color. So you have this, and then you go ahead, and what if you want to create an image? So in creating an image, there you go. I have my Smart Apply logo here. So as soon as you click on that, it should be able to take you there. Sorry for what came up earlier. It's because I am putting up this image and I haven't logged in yet. So it shows up again here. So you can just go ahead and now readjust this to whichever size you want it to be. And then you go ahead and you bring in the next thing. Let's say the next thing is a text box. So the text box where we are writing maybe some services we do. Now let's talk about okay. So let's say we have some few things that we are stating here. So let's say job reviews, resume review, job applications, resume review by Abigail, and listing some other things with regards to school applications being done for you as well. So maybe these are some of the few things you want to state there. Can I go ahead and drag this wherever you want it to go? Sorry. I'm just gonna leave this under here. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pull it here a little lower. There you go. And have it there. You can increase this if you want, but where I want to take this to is with regards to working with the data here. So let's say you want to do some amount of you want to know some amount of profits that was made, the amount of sales that was also made. So you just want to go ahead and use a smart card here. Yeah, I don't know why I call it smart card, but you can just go ahead and just drag this here, and right from there, as soon as you put in your sales, you should be able to see the amounts showing up here. So you have 2.3. Oh no, I want this part to show. So you can drag it anywhere at all you want it to be, but I want it here, so just gonna leave it there. And 2.33 million sum of sales. What if you want to do for sum of profit? You can just go ahead, bring in the smart card and do it for profit, or you can just go ahead and copy, where you do Control C and then you repeat Control V, and you see that, yep, I'm able to drag it off from where it was. And then now you can now change it from here by on clicking this and going ahead to click profit. Maybe you want to know the amount of profit that was made after the bookings. So that is what is showing us here, that oh, this was the amount that they made out after the booking or out of the booking. Thank you.